Hi, today's video I will show you how to get and install the Microsoft Office in 3 different ways. The last method is not recommended, it's for educational purposes only and comes with security risk. The first common way to get Microsoft Office is to head over to Google and search for Office Customization Tool. This handy tool lets us pick exactly what we want to install. Once you are on the Office Customization Tool webpage, you will need to choose a few things. There is a settings for 32-bit or 64-bit systems. If you're not sure which one you have, don't worry. Most computers today are 64-bit, so that is a safe bet. Next, pick the Office programs you actually use like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You can even choose a version you want, like 2019 or the latest one. I'll choose 2019. There is also an option to pick how you want updates to work, but for now, just choose whatever works best to you. After you have made all your choices, there is a button that says Export. Click that, and it will save a tiny file that remembers all your selections. Think of it as a shopping list for Office. Alright, with our shopping list in our hand, let's head over to the Microsoft Download Center. You can search for it online. Once there, we need to download a program called the Office Development Tool. That's the one that actually installs Office based on our shopping list. Once you have downloaded it, put these 2 downloaded files in a new folder. Let's call it Office 2019. Now install the Office Development Tool by right-clicking it and running it as an administrator. Find the shopping list file that we saved earlier, the .xml file in the Office 2019 folder. The new files will be extracted there, and make sure to move this folder to the C directory. Open the command prompt, search and cmd in the Start menu, and navigate to the folder where we saved that file. Copy these 2 commands accordingly. If you created the same folder name as I did, as soon as we press enter, the Office Development Tool will use your shopping list to download and install the exact Office programs you chose. It might take a little while depending on your internet speed. Remember, you may need administrator privileges for installation, and you might need to activate Office using your Microsoft 365 subscription or a product key, which I will touch on in the last part of this video. The second way is to get the Office 2010 for free, though it no longer has security update support from the Microsoft. It can still be used with the newer version, and it fits with the older laptop like mine. You can download this Office file from the Auto IT website. Once you are on the website, scroll down and click to download the second latest update zip file. After downloading, extract the file. Open the extracted file and double-click on the application itself to install. If you see a warning that Windows protected your PC, click on More Info and then Run anyway. Choose the language. I'll choose English, obviously, ENUS, and click Start Downloading. Once it finished downloading, press OK. A new folder called bin will appear, containing all the associated Office file. Open the bin folders, then ENUS folder, and find the file name setup consumer or to row review. You can see. Right click on it, select Run as administrator to install, and wait until it finishes. Once installed, Office cannot be opened and run on the device yet. Don't worry, let's open the updates folder and click to run X none. Follow the installation process and click yes to restart the computer. After the computer restart, Office should be working now. Now, let's explore the third method. While we can use a general key to activate the Office 2010 without worrying the copyright issues. Remember, it no longer receives the security updates. Thus, I strongly advise buying a genuine Microsoft Office license for a regular use. To get this Office file, you could download it from my share file link in the video description. Before opening or extracting the downloaded file, it's recommended to turn off Windows Security by disabling real-time protection. Once the file is extracted, right-click on Microsoft Office 2010 and select Run as Administrator. Enter the product key provided in the notepad, copy it and paste. Untick Attempt to automatically update and click Continue. You could click Install now, but I prefer to select only programs I use. So I chose Customize to unselect programs I won't use like Microsoft Access, OneNote, Publisher, and Visio Viewer. Once I'm happy with my selection, press Install now and wait until the installation process is complete. Close the installation page, and now it's time to activate by opening the Microsoft Office 2010 toolkit.exe. Click Yes, and when the Office Toolkit pops up, just click Easy Activator and wait until it finishes. Then restart the computer. Now we should have the Microsoft Office working perfectly. Thanks for watching.